Samrat and Company is a movie of Rajshri Productions which has marked the detective era in 2014. We have one of the characters played by Pooja Gupta in Samrat and Company. So let's find out from Pooja as to what is her character all about.
Hello.
Hello. Do you want to tell something to the audience about your character?
Yeah, sure. Well, my character is name is Shanti, and her name is Shanti is only because she's actually spreading Ashanti in the whole house. And Ashanti is not in a bad way, but in a good way. She's very like chirpy girl, and she's always like jumping around in the house. She's also kleptomania, so she does things without knowing. She has a lot of anxiety all the time, and she's basically Basanti of this film. Very like colorful girl and colorful makeup and all the time like jetta clothes and everything. So it's a very comical kind of character which is bringing a lot of entertainment and somewhat like comedy to the film.
And you've seen Rajshri movies, so there are a lot of songs also. So is there any song that you'll also feature in?
Actually, there is a song which is a situational song, so where there's like all these star casts will be sort of like will be seen. So yeah, it's a party song. That's where you guys are going to be seeing me as well.
Okay, Rajshri and a party song. So this is different for the audience. And this movie also marks the genre of detective movies. So have you seen any detective movies in the past?
Yes, I have seen few. Please don't ask me to name them right now because they don't come right on the top of the head, when it's asked. But yes, I've seen a lot of detective movies and TV series. I really enjoy them. And it's been like really like an honor for me to be part of Rajshri and that also like being a part of detective film, because I'm sure like people outside will be very excited to see that what Rajshri has made, because being coming from the genre of family, and that they make only like family movies, this is the first time. So out of curiosity, a lot of people will come out of the house and will want to watch this movie, I feel.
And talking about the movie, where was this filmed, and can you just tell something about your character? What kind of clothes or attire would you be wearing?
So well, the film, my parts were shot only in Mumbai, so I didn't go outdoor. I believe they have gone to Himachal for some outdoor shoots. My character is basically wearing a very colorful clothes, salwar kameez. She does a lot of like very loud makeup and she speaks wrong English. Her funny English is like so super funny, like the way she speaks. She thinks that she knows everything. She's very educated and she can speak very well English. And she always tries to speak in that language so that she can impress people. And she says that, I am like not educated, but I can speak English so well and everything. But her tuta puta English is actually the, what do you call, the kick of her character, which bring the punches out. She's very like a gut and all that stuff, and a lot of flowers in the hair and everything. She's a very happy-go-lucky person.
Okay, that's extremely good. So can you just give us a demonstration in terms of a few dialogues?
वैसे तो हम 8वीं क्लास में हैं, पर हमारी नॉन स्टॉप इंग्लिश सुनकर ऐसा लगता है जैसे हम कॉलेज रिटर्न है. So something like that.
That's splendid, and wish you all the best for Samrat and Company, and see you in more films in the future. So friends, this was Pooja Gupta exclusive on Bollywood Now in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hello, I'm Pooja Gupta and you're watching Bollywood Now.